you haven't seen, because it's not as exciting, are the many constructive meetings going on all over the country where Americans are airing their hopes and concerns about this very important issue. Do you want to talk about this from a big manufacturing company that both uses energy but also works on the technologies that might save energy usage?
You know, Mr. President, I think clean energy is the most exciting, fastest growth industry of the 21st century.
I can't remember a more exciting Super Bowl. Arizona.
It was a special treat, and we would beg to get it, and it was exciting if we drove into a fast food place and got a hamburger.
But I see that my daughters love playing this game of soccer, and we know that this is an exciting time for soccer in America.
That is very exciting.
They don't find their classes exciting. One of the things that's exciting, though, in addition to the big fancy hospital with all the fancy equipment, they've also, are linked up with all these family clinics all throughout the area. Now, one of the most exciting areas of research to move forward as a result of this investment will be in applying what scientists have learned through the Human Genome Project to help us understand, prevent, and treat various forms of cancer, heart disease, and autism.
So we don't get out to see the sites quite as much as we'd like, but of course it's still a very exciting chance to visit a number of very different.
There's also more to the dinner than just the food, even though that's going to be exciting.
The 2009 National Medal of Arts to Michael Tilson Thomas for his dedication to elevating American orchestral playing as a renowned conductor, and for his commitment to engaging new artists and audiences in the exciting world of contemporary music.
And it was, as everybody here knows, an incredible tournament from start to finish. One of the most exciting tournaments any of us have ever seen. This is a pretty exciting time for soccer in America.
It's a very exciting collaboration of the private sector, labor, the federal government agencies, and the community colleges.
Public service is something exciting and hopeful. The most exciting new technology was an electric pencil sharpener. We do this once a year, and I always love meeting you guys. I have a chance to take a look at some of the stuff that you guys have been doing individually and as a group, and it is thrilling and exciting.